Hey everybody, welcome to the Subtac Off-Road Life channel. You can call me Greg, Subtac, or Mac. It does not matter. Today we're going to Fluker, Louisiana, to the Tower Trax ATV mud park, where the Labor Day event, the Bounty Bash Hole, Filth Fest, put on by Sean Chafee, also known as, what is his Facebook page? The Crazy King's Kingdom. He put this event on. The guy put on one heck of a party, and it rocked the whole park. We're going there with Team Send It, and they are going to run the Bounty Hole, and it was a great time. Those guys are crazy in the mud. I love following them around and pointing my camera because I get so much good stuff. So without any further ado, let's do it.
Everybody get in close so we get this goddamn picture.
Team Send It. I had the pleasure of following Team Send It around Tower Trax ATV Mud Park during the Labor Day Bounty Hole Bash event and catching it all on video. In a moment, we will meet the members of Team Send It. But first, I have someone else I'd like you to meet.
You give me some killer footage, right?
Oh, sir, yeah.
What are you doing?
Meet Sean Chafee. Sean is the mastermind behind the Bounty Hole Bash event at Tower Trax ATV Mud Park. Sean puts on one heck of a party. There were concerts all weekend, a foam party, and of course bounty holes for all comers. I didn't film the concerts or foam party because I was busy following Team Send It around, but the concerts rocked the park, and if you weren't there, you definitely missed out. Mr. Sean!
What up, guys?
Hey.
What up? Shout out to Subtac for coming out here and handling business. Video and Bounty Hole Bash, hashtag Filth Test. We getting it in tonight, guys. Why aren't you here?
See, now we got old Sean doing his job. Working hard.
Britt, what's up, Britt? What are you doing, my dude?
Let's start at the beginning. Friday morning, members of Team Send It start showing up and are greeted by Sean. Camp is set up. We got to document it before while they're all clean.
Right.
And then it's time to explore the park, specifically the mud holes. What's your name? Justin. Justin? Good to meet you, Justin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Rich.
Rich? Nice to meet you, Rich. Good thing I got them on video before they got them all muddy.
Yeah, these two got it figured out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they've been doing it for a long time. I follow them around different places.
Yeah, they got it figured out.
not really going to do that, is he? And I guess that's why he has the nickname Wild Bill. However, this is not the only hole he will find this weekend. And we had our first casualty in this hole. Joe lost a shoe. Lost the whole freaking shoe, man. A four-wheeler and a side-by-side working together could not pull Wild Bill out. We had to call in the big guns. After heading back to camp and picking up a couple more Team Send It members, we headed out looking for more mud. And we found it.
With that bad boy tuck, I'ma get it how I'm living, I'ma walk the walk. Outline my lines, I rap through thought. Body bag the verse, outline the chalk. In my life seen trouble, hustle on the double. Silence on the trigger like my pick got a muzzle. Yo chick like to guzzle, bad boy stay in trouble. I only love this paper, sorry I don't. I laugh me baby, bust it up and bring it back. I'm the real.
What'd you break? It died. Just died? Saturday, 9:40 a.m. Saturday morning. More riders are coming in and Team Send It is about to compete in the bounty hole competitions.
Everybody getting close so we can
First, Team Send It poses for a team picture. You all good? Next, it's time to hit the bounty hole. Team Send It to mud holes is as bees to flowers. They can't ride past one without hitting it. So, before they made it to the bounty hole, they had to do this. It was time for Team Senate to sign up and then get staged at the bounty hole.
You going first? You going first?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
How you feeling about it, Daniel?
Send it.
Send it. First up, Braxton Wild Bill Langston. Next, Thomas Houston. Next up, Joshua Olszewski.
Cut off on it.
Go ahead, buddy.
Next up, Rosa Houston. Up next, Trista Cordell. Next up, Samantha Walden. Up next, Joe Cordell. Up next, Daniel Mitchell. he won by 1 second. That was the four-wheeler heat in the bounty hole, and Team Send It put on a good show, and they all did very well, but somehow that guy on his 1000 Outlander did it by 1 second. Anyway, this was a long video. Thank you so much for coming this far. Next video, we're going to see Team Send It do the side-by-side bounty hole, and then we're going to see how they play in the mud after the work is done, and we're going to see them take a ride through the I guess it's like the famous trail, the Blue Trail or Trail 17 or whatever it is at Tower Trax, and it's all good times, a muddy mayhem mess. Thanks, like I said, for coming this far. If you haven't done so, please go to my Facebook page and my Instagram page. They're both Subtac Off-Road Life. I need likes and follows, need those numbers up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give me a like and a comment. I could use these numbers to go up too. And this is a great channel. You'll love the stuff that I put out if you haven't been here before. Thank you so much. I will talk to you later. See you in the mud. Bye-bye.